Using pH meter. Using a pH meter is another way to measure the pH. Here we can see the pH meter. What we do is, we place this meter inside the solution, in which it gives a number. The number represents the pH of the solution. For example, the number shown here is 8.9. So 8.9 is the pH, which means we have an alkaline solution, since 8.9 is greater than 7. Similarly, in this figure, we have a pH meter also placed in the solution. It gave a reading of 5.6. 5.6 is less than 7, so this solution is acidic. This pH meter is very accurate and is the best way used to measure the pH.